Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this set of 12 small food containers. These things are fantastic. First of all, there's 12 of them, and it's a really durable plastic. They have screw-on lids, so you can put liquids in here without worrying about it dumping over. And my kids take salads to school all the time, or you just want to bring just a few little M&Ms or snacks that you want to put in here. You've got color-coded lids, so you can have certain colors mean different things, or certain kids get certain colors. I love how easy they are to use. They've got a nice little grip around the edge of the lid to be able to pull that off easy. Now I'll bring you in here close so we can take a look at it, and then we'll put some water in it and test the leakiness. So here is the little cup up close. You see the little riveted edges. It also has your little milliliters and ounces on the side because these are 2.7 ounces. And then your lid that you put right on top here. Then whenever you go to use them, say we're gonna put some liquid in here. So we'll stick that in there and close it up. Now we've got the water in there. And even just moving it all around, there is no water coming out anywhere, which is amazing. And these can go in the dishwasher. So when you get them done, you can easily throw them in there, get them cleaned up and ready to use for next time. I love that there are 12 of them, and you've got all the variety of color of lids.